I'm in the gym. I'm gonna do some quads and glutes today. This is my OOTTTTD. There we go. But yeah, let's go work out. Dinner and cleaning up my kitchen because my house looks a mess. It looks terrible. Like my house looks like what I felt like the past month. Hold on, I'm watching You, so let me pause it. But yeah, I'm watching You on Netflix, the last season apparently, and cooking dinner. Well, cleaning up and cooking dinner. It's in the oven, so it's pretty easy. I already had leftover rice. I just gotta make my green beans, which I'll make closer to when that's done. I should be able to get these dishes washed. Probably not put up, but definitely washed. But y'all, let me show you the house. Like it looks terrible, and this is honestly a good start because like I said, we were cleaning up dishes. There was dishes sitting on the counters because I had washed the load on like Saturday and I never put them up, so they just was sitting there. Then I had dirty stuff all. This is how the front of my entryway is looking. Like this is trash, this is trash, this is my workout stuff, that's my thing that I wore to church. Shoes, my wagon. Why is my purse in my wagon? Why is this right here? Cabinets was open. This trash smelled horrendous. I took that out. This is a bag. The living room, you know, the living room is bad, but it can be worse. It's just the living room, you know, watching You. Okay, this is where it gets tragic. What has my life been? Like, look at this. Look, and like undergarments all on the ground. To wash clothes so bad. Look. Y'all, no wonder my mind been so cluttered because my home cluttered. Looking schmuggled. Oh, guys. I need to wash my hands before I touch that, but something exciting came. I ordered it this morning, and I love Texas because guess what? It came today. Don't we love that? And I'm so excited now because like, now I can keep track of everything because my friend is the one who's normally doing all that, and I was like, I can't wait to see the Apple Watch because she knew how many miles we were at, how far we was at. This is so much bigger because I had an Apple Watch before and it was not this big of a box. It was very small. What the frick is in this? Oh, this is the charger. That's heavy. I am super excited to play around with this and get this set up. I'm gonna put it on right now. I heard them my green beans because like I said, I don't like them super soft at all. I don't want that. And I don't want my chicken to be burnt. I need to hurry up for real. I don't want my chicken dry. Okay, yeah, I gotta lock in. Okay, screw this. Y'all, I am so geek right now seeing this plate. You do not understand. My mouth is literally watering as I look at this. It's the next day. The Apple Watch is on the wrist. I'm in my like house clothes right now, but I want to give y'all an update on the house. I'm still at work. It's currently 3 o'clock. I'm on a little breaky break. But let me just show y'all the house, what I've been doing. I did a little bit last night and a little bit today. Okay, looking at it right now. It looks better. It looks better. Not perfect. And of course, I still have to do like a deep clean. Like I want to do a deep clean on my cabinets. I need to clean out my microwave. I want to clean out the stove and also the fridge. But look, this is clean. I need to go through this and really, I need a shredder, but I'm going to sit here and cut all this stuff up by my hand. I need to do that probably by the day so I can get that trash to go out. This was the Apple Watch, so that makes sense. And I read my Bible. So, I mean, period. The Bible's out, period. I actually didn't read it last night. I read a devotional instead because it was getting late. But I read this on my lunch break today. And Tanjiro is on the ground. Tanjiro be getting disrespected, y'all. Like, He been in the way, so I just throw him on the ground. This is how my room's looking. Look at that. We washed clothes today. And my grandma helped me out, which, oof, y'all. Yeah, bed is looking good. Everything is looking clean. I gotta put that up. I don't know when we're gonna do that. And then look. Now this really needs to be clean. Like, this is disgustingly dirty, so I won't even show you guys that. This is also disgustingly dirty. I need to clean that. But look, guys. I'm air drying a few things. Who is she? So yeah, after work, I'm gonna go ahead and run, and then I got to do a few things. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing after that, but I know for sure the first thing is gonna be running. I thrifted these shorts. They fit perfectly. Like, they look so good on me. I thrifted these J. Crew indigo denim shorts. These are also really cute on me. Love these. I'm so excited for the Texas heat. And then these are jeans that I also thrifted, but I freaking love these jeans. They're exactly what I'm looking for in jeans. And I have really convinced myself that I'm only gonna buy my jeans thrifted for right now, because jeans are very expensive. It just makes more sense economically to thrift them. But I got these Madewell shorts. Well, like I said, I got such good quality shorts at the thrift store. You know how much these probably would have cost at Madewell? And I was able to get, I think the most expensive pair I got was $7 for all these shorts. Some of them were literally like $2. Okay guys, work is over. It is currently, yeah, I have no clue what that says. Got everything packed up because I'm gonna go to a coffee shop after. I found a nice spot that I'm gonna run at White Rock Lake. We'll see me at the coffee shop, which I'm so excited because this coffee shop looks so cute.
Okay guys, I just finished. I don't even know if you can properly see me. I don't really know. That scared the crap out of me. I just finished 0.5, half a mile running, half a mile walking. I'm walking back and then I'm gonna run back. Right now I'm like on a road area, but to my left there's like a little lake. A lake. Past this, hopefully you can see me. I'm really scared holding the camera out. Past all these cars that's passing me, but honestly, this is the only time I see them passing. So yeah, that's like a peek of the lake right there. But yeah, we're doing pretty good. I'm tired, but I can't believe I pushed through that because like I wanted to stop so bad. But having an Apple Watch really helps. See the view again? But yeah, having an Apple Watch really helps. We're almost done, and I'm going to the coffee shop. Thank the Lord, because this is torture, y'all. This is torture. Okay, guys, I have made it into the coffee shop. It is so freaking cute in here. Like, are you kidding me? There's a whole outdoor area. There's a lot of seating. The parking was terrible, but other than that, I got a menu. And so, yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I want. Hopefully you can hear me. I know it's a little loud, and my hands are freaking shaking from the run. So like, look at the menu. Can you see that it's shaking? Like, my hands are literally shaking. The adrenaline is adrenaline. Not pancakes. This is like is this a coffee shop? Pancakes, wine is crazy. A burger. Okay, I just want to get something. Fried chicken. Guys, yes, I'm wearing the same shirt from yesterday, different pants but same shirt, and honestly I would have worn the same pants, but that's TMI. Anywho, got the clothes folded. Before I hop in this meeting, when I say this thing is so freaking good, oh my gosh, it's so good. Like, I'm about to tear this up. I'm eating my breakfast, watching Solo Leveling, and working, and I'm still thinking about y'all. Okay guys, I am in like this little office space in my apartment. It's after work. It's currently 3:57. I ran to the store to get like some snacks to eat while I'm in here because I plan to be here probably to midnight. My plans totally changed because it's raining really bad. We're under a thunderstorm, so I was like, oh, all my plans got canceled. I'm not working out. I'm gonna go and work on a video, and hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna clean my house up. We'll see. No promises. Probably should have had this angle the entire time, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna watch a little YouTube while I eat. My phone's already on D&D, so you already know we're about to get serious. Let's go. I'm so sorry that I forgot to record for you guys. I really locked in. I got that video. It's not done. The first draft is done. so that's really good. But my friend wanted to know, since the rain has stopped, could we hang out? And instead of walking, we're gonna go to the gym. So I'm about to meet her at the gym. I gotta use the restroom really bad. I'm just gonna take all my stuff with me. I don't think I'm even gonna change. I'm just gonna work out in this outfit. I don't know, I don't feel too great. My stomach hurt, my period is on. I'm just a girl, I can't. What's up guys, it's the next day and groceries just came at my door. I wasn't gonna order groceries, but Instacart ended up giving me $30 off, and I don't even have to explain it. Yeah, grocery has arrived. I only paid $40 for all of this. Please stop playing with me. I'm so freaking excited. Hi guys. First of all, sorry that I'm dressed like an Eskimo. It's really cold in my apartment right now because it's raining. Remember I told you we were under a thunderstorm? Maybe I didn't tell y'all, I don't know. But I don't want to turn the heater on in an apartment because then it'll just be hot later on. Today is so finicky that it's just like I gotta just suffer. So I have 2 covers on me and I'm just working. Honestly, truthfully, I am on my period again today. And I have been feeling pretty slow. I'm surprised I've even been able to go to the gym like 3 days out of the week because I have been really like just, you girls know. You girls know. The last thing we're gonna do together for sure is the cleaning up. Please, please send help. It is 6:21 and yes, my house is pretty much clean. I have been laying here on the couch. Don't mind that. And I also ate here. But I need to wipe off the counters, sweep, and then mop, and then we're done. I have to use the restroom, so I'm gonna go pee first. I don't know why I took the camera when I had to go. Like I knew I had to use the restroom, yet I proceeded to press the camera and press play. I'm also thirsty. But I'm just happy that we're here. I need to hurry up because at 7 o'clock the trash man's gonna, it's Sunday, right? Yeah, the trash man's gonna come and that way I can put my trash out too. So yeah, gotta get these counters wiped. Just in the kitchen, everything else is good. Sweep and mop and vacuum. Let's do it. I think I should sweep and mop. Well, I need to hurry up because once the floor is, so sweep, put the trash out, then mop. All right, let's go pee. I'll be right back. After a long day, my house is finally clean and mop. I didn't even mop with you guys. I was so over it. I just got it done. I'm about to make me some dinner, which is crazy, but it's leftover, so that's good. This is how the kitchen's looking. Everything's looking really good. I didn't really need to throw that stuff in the trash. I'm in here right now, so it's clean. It's just, I'm in here. Let me put these in the closet where they belong. The room is looking really good. Can't wait to take a nap in here tonight. I mean, go to sleep. The bathroom is looking really good and it smells really good in here. So yeah, my house is finally clean. And the closet, I never really do much to the closet because like, it's just there, honestly. But finally, after, I don't even know how many days it's been since I started this video, we finally finished this reset. And I still haven't even finished coloring my color journal. I should get that done this week. I'm almost done. So yeah, I do want to thank you for going along this journey with me. Thank you for sticking with me all 7 days that we've done this and for just being patient. I mean, it's going to be super easy to watch when it's video form because it's going to flow together and be together. But like in real life, it was definitely hard to record this. It was a lot. But nonetheless, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm very sleepy. Not even sleepy. I'm more so just tired. I'm tired. I'm sick of cleaning. So I'm going to eat me some dinner, which is my shrimp Alfredo. So excited with some garlic bread. And yeah, I'm excited about that. And I'm about to relax for the rest of the night. Granted, it's 8:40. So I have like maybe 2 more hours of relaxing before I have to go to bed. Yeah. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I can stay on top of this video uploading thing that I have going on. I'm gonna try my best. But peace. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.